Okay, so now what is Spark SQL? So basically it is a component of Apache Spark which provides programming interface for structured and semi-structured data, right? It allows to seamlessly integrate SQL queries with Spark programs, making it easier to work with structured data using Spark's distributed processing capabilities. So in Spark SQL, we have two main terms. One is data frames and second one is data sets. They actually provide a higher level abstraction for working with structured data. So now let's understand what is data frames and data sets, right? So a data frame is a distributed collection of data organized into named columns. If you have ever worked with like pandas of Python, there also we create a data frame, right? It is similar to that. It is a collection or distributed collection of data organized into named columns. It is conceptually similar to table in a relational database or data frame in Python, right? Now, how can we create this data frame? In front of you, a code snippet or a code is written. So first of all, we are going to install PySpark SQL, right? After that, we are going to use that library and we'll import Spark session. Now we'll create a variable and we are naming it as Spark, and using Spark session, we are going to build an app name. Now, since we are creating an app name, you can write any name to your app in that inverted commas column, right? Now we are going to create a new variable, naming it as data, where we are going to like put or pass some column values or data like Alice 25, Bob 30, Charlie 35, right? And we are going to like create a schema and store it in columns, and in that columns we are going to give the schema name as name and the age. Now for creating the data frame, we are going to use spark.create data frame and the data and the columns, right? So the output will be name and all the names which we have given in the data, and the age will contain all the ages of those people or person, right? Now data frames actually support a wide range of operations including SQL queries, filtering, grouping, aggregations, and more. Like it is same as MySQL and SQL if you have ever worked with, right? Now comes datasets. So a dataset is a strongly typed extension of data frames. Okay, so it allows to work with typed objects. It provides type safety and leverages benefits of Spark's Catalyst Optimizer. How can we create this dataset, right? So in like just now we learned how we can create a data frame, right? Now in front of you, you can see we are creating a data set from that data frame which we have created. For that, we are calling that data frame and we are writing .s and the name of the row. This is how we can actually create a data set. So I guess this is clear to you how Apache Spark SQL works and what are the two main terms of Apache Spark SQL, and how it can be used for creating or making Python scripts.